Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today launched the Imphal Mau and Mau to Imphal MST bus service. This bus service will provide affordable and seamless connectivity to the general public whilst providing the women of Mau ample opportunity to sell their local produce in Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N. Biren said that there is no land, boundary and order issue of Dzuko Valley. He said the customary boundary issue is raised by sapo and for this required documents has been sent to the centre. Chief Minister N. Biren also said that the launching of Imphal Mau bus service and opening of Mau Kaitel in Imphal will make the women of Mau not only depend on only one market to sell their products like before.
Masigi function si di SUP man gari mau the gari ma thawe pe program but importance to ni opportunity importance ma digi message to the mau Bukur Chochanpur Sandel or Tenopal or Tamino lady per ekhogi border area the state border area the lady business Imphal capital city of the state siga ani ki market relationship de na se what number communication sigi pochi masi sumnagi aina salaga or moina laga unna bakatana da Delhi ki sumaina bus service ko masi de helga private ki natta government ki si ahom mamandani ataba mamandani masi ki service le helga di ekoi de hena naksun na bana se mar le kanu ko aduna munna tanar ka na si honorable former minister honorable MLA Dzuko ki kuthang to kana ngarang si Mau council ki adagi naga people organization ki NPO ki president adagi Mau student ki president adagi Mau women's ki mother association mayam lagna to adagi ngasi si koi nahana ki prefer to bani bus ma tha ba hoksi hai adagi jit Mau ko sendro si bus ne amna yara ka de koi we are going to extend it up to Hanagi open Dimapur Lairambu station to Hanana Mau ki Kanguna Sumado Dimapur Mogi marketing set Mau the Puthiba vegetables kumba the organic kuba the lagi horticulture gi anapani in farm manunga thangiba lagi horticulture gi post ya Mau gi hard working aduna bus sima regularly sale gadi moigi ada pothok sari pothok mayam the bus hapa ko so marketing gi Imphal area the mogi marketing amo sinami na